Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Aries, ang full moon ay nasa inyong first house of yourself, your identity, your outward appearance. So, maaring you might be taking care of yourself during this time. Mas focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Some of you might experience challenges sa relationships because of the opposition sa 7th house, which is about relationships, partnerships. So sa ngayon, mas uunahin mo yung sarili mo. You will look after yourself. Same with North Node and Chiron here. It's about healing and focusing on your goals and dreams, no? Kung nung mga nakaraan medyo napabayaan mo yung mga plano mo, yung mga goals mo, yung pangarap mo dahil sa isang relationship. So ngayon, mas ang attention at focus mo ay ang iyong sarili, na parang you are going to be back on track. So, meron tong challenging situation sa iyong 2nd house at sa iyong 5th house, which is about your passion and your finances, your money. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring you are realizing na may mga bagay na nakakaapekto sa inyong kakayanan na kumita ng pera, yung inyong finances, dahil sa maaring yung iba sa inyo parang nadidistract, no, pagdating sa problema sa relationship, sa dating, or sa connections mo sa ibang tao. Some of you naman, there's some sort of a challenge pagdating sa inyong creativity. 'Di ba kapag tayo ay distracted, mahirap makakapag-focus dahil we are distracted. So, it's time for you to get back to work, focus on yourself, and be on track again, no? Para magkaroon ng ng forward moving sa iyong situation ngayon. So let's see what else. Kuha tayo ng mga tarot cards for you, Aries. You have the Three of Wands. So Three of Wands is about expansion. Maaring ngayon you are expanding your opportunities. Marami kang mga ginagawang actions ngayon related sa makakapagpaunlad ng sarili mo. Yung iba may pag-aaralan na bagong skill, kaalaman para it can add to your abilities. And of course, kapag mas marami kang alam, mas maraming opportunities yung pwedeng mag-open up sa'yo na magbibigay sa'yo ng growth. You also have the King of Wands. Yes, so this is the energy of someone na very strategic when it comes to business, na dapat related rin siya sa iyong creativity. This is someone who is focusing on the passionate side of a business, no? So you also have the Tower. So ayun, maaring merong mga bubuwagin na sitwasyon sa buhay mo during this time that you feel like it's no longer helping you to improve. Oo, lalo na kung may stuck energy sa'yo. Yung iba may mga relationships na parang nililimitahan ka sa mga potentials na pwede mo pang ma-achieve sa buhay. Let's say, for example, you are in a relationship with someone, pwedeng asawa, na hindi ka pinapayagan na magtrabaho or magnegosyo kahit na medyo nahihirapan kayo sa finances ninyo. Pero meron ka namang kakayanan to generate money, to generate income. Kaya lang, syempre, may times na parang natatapakan yung ego nila. So, maaring ito na yung time na you will free yourself from that kind of situation because you want to improve your life. Okay? You really want to improve your life. With having the moon in your first house, it seems like meron kang gustong i-let go of something na no longer serving your highest good. Okay? Hindi nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo. Yes, and you're going to start something new. Knave of Coins is about learning. So, maaring meron kang mga bagong pag-aaralan na interesado ka. This can be a new career, a new job, a new investment for some of you na alam nyong makakapag-enhance ng inyong finances. Okay, let's see what else. You have the Five of Swords. So, there's some sort of competition here. Pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng competition ng romantic partner mo. Na kung sinong mas magaling sa inyong dalawa. But kaya nga siya partner is because you have to work for each other or para sa isa't isa, diba? It should be a team, hindi siya dapat competition. So, for those na nasa isang relationship na parang you feel na competition yung relationship ninyo, some of you might be letting go of that because of the toxicity at magfo-focus ka sa sarili mo na mas paunlarin yung sarili mo on your own, independently. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.